Kawere gi magonyo koro jwang'enu gai mar ODM Raila Odinga wuok oko mar dok ne paro ma ichwalo gi jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua mar ni pok mar omenda madhi ne dongruok tim kirango kwan ji e gweng' ka gweng'. Raila wacho ni mano en paro maket gi mano mane gichwalo kokale paro mar BBI. Ne oloso kane olime gi kweth ma Limuru 3 e log tich mar ODM. Jafamo marwa Eric Owenga ni kod ler mathoth.
Kata ka gweno podi ok omuonyo bando i wach mar pok mar omenda ma jalup jatend piny Rigathi Gachagua osebedo ka dhiro e thuka kuom thuolo manok mokalo, jatend ODM Raila Odinga e tielo mokwongo higa ni nosiro paro no lwedo.
Somehow this thing has been misrepresented as if it is discriminating against other parts of our country. Nothing could be further from the truth. It is not a question of discrimination. We want to ensure that each and every Kenyan gets a fair share of resources created by our sweat. This is what it is. It cannot be right that some children should get more money as bursary than other children in other parts of the country. And I think this is a conversation which, if we have it openly, in a open dialogue, we'll be able to convince majority of our people that this is the right way to go.
Jalup jatend piny Rigathi osewuok oko ka gwenyore e paro kod mokum jotelo e sirikand Kenya Kwanza ma bende ni kod leny e wi dhir makamano. Odinga nolero ni piny Kenya oselewo mar chopo paro makamano ma bende ne osebedo ka odhiro ahinya kokalo e paro mar Building Bridges Initiative mane otisi kaka BBI. Ma bende ne doho owito oko higa mag 2021.
In the BBI, we had proposed it. Some people don't want to hear it. But we want to ensure that each and every Kenyan is fairly treated, equally treated. And that's why we're saying, we agree with this phrase that is one man, one vote, one shilling.
Odinga no luwo dho jotelo mawuok e gwenge ma Masawa mar Kenya mane olime e log tich mar ODM bore ka. Jotelogo jumbe adek mokalo ne obago romo e kaunti ma Kiambu. Romo bende notisi kaka Limuru 3 kama ne jotelogo opuode wach kaka siasa ma Mount Kenya biro ringo kinde mabiro.
One person, one shilling, one vote. The answer to it is to implement devolution fully and to fund devolution fully.
We also agreed, and it has been mentioned, that the mantra of one man, one vote, one shilling is a thing that we are not going to relent pushing, not because it benefits people in the mountain, that's far from it. It actually benefits every other person in this country, and as it has been said, it is not for us to take from somebody so that it comes to us, no. It is for us to ask from the national government that which they are holding on to and refusing to let come to the people.
In the devolution, we talked about equity in sharing of resources in our country. That means you actually take count of the numbers of the people where they are, because the services are primarily first and foremost to the people.
Ero Limuru jotelo mawuok Masawa mar Kenya ne ochopo e winjruok ni jatend piny machon Uhuru Kenyatta ema en ogai margi kendo ema gibiro luwo kama obiro siemo ne oganda ma Masawa mar Kenya motende gi siasa ma higa 2017.
One of the other issues that was going around within the region is the desire to make sure that we are completely scattered politically. And for that reason, we agreed as political parties from that region that we will be working under one umbrella grouping we are calling Haki. And we also resolved that that Haki, the patron, not the party leader, the patron of that Haki will be none other than Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta, for the reason that he has the capacity and the ability and also the respect that can bring the people in the mountain together so that we are not scattered like we were scattered 2022.
Eric Owenga, Ramogi TV, Nairobi.